Welcome to Travel Lifestyle, where we uncover the hidden dangers that lurk in every corner of the world. Today, we're diving deep into one of the oldest and most insidious threats to travelers everywhere: pickpockets. These thieves are not only skilled, but increasingly sophisticated in their methods, turning everyday situations into opportunities for crime. In this video, we'll reveal 13 terrifying ways pickpockets can rob you blind, and trust us, you'll want to take notes. If you gain any value from this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and smash the like button so you never miss out on our crucial safety tips. And if you want to learn about places you're most likely to get robbed, don't miss our other video on the subject. Our first scenario is the classic bump and grab, a technique that has stood the test of time. Imagine this. You're navigating a busy street, perhaps in Paris or Rome. Suddenly someone bumps into you. It feels like an innocent mistake, but within seconds your wallet is gone. The pickpocket, blending into the crowd, is already making their escape. How to protect yourself? To avoid becoming a victim, keep your valuables in a secure, zipped pocket, ideally inside your clothing. Always be aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded areas. It's not just about what you carry, but how you carry it. Next, let's talk about the fake help trick. You might be struggling with your bags or looking lost when a stranger offers assistance. They seem friendly, eager to help, but while they're engaging you, an accomplice is already lifting your wallet or phone from your pocket or bag. How to protect yourself? Stay cautious. Politely decline unsolicited help, especially in areas known for high crime rates. Always be wary of overly friendly strangers, as their intentions might not be as kind as they appear. Pickpockets thrive on chaos and confusion, and the distraction technique is one of their most effective tools. Picture this. You're walking through a bustling market when suddenly someone bumps into you or a loud argument breaks out nearby. While your attention is diverted, a skilled pickpocket swoops in and takes your valuables without you even noticing. How to protect yourself? In chaotic environments, keep a firm grip on your belongings. Wear your bag across your body, with the zipper facing inward, and keep your hands on it at all times. And remember, if something seems off, it probably is. Stay alert and trust your instincts. Public transportation, especially subways, is a favorite hunting ground for pickpockets. The subway squeeze is a common scenario. As the train arrives, you're pushed into the crowded car. In the tight space, it's easy for a thief to slip their hand into your pocket or bag and disappear into the crowd at the next stop. How to protect yourself? When using public transport, keep your bag in front of you with your hand on it. Avoid placing valuables in back pockets or easily accessible compartments. If possible, stand against a wall or hold onto a railing to minimize contact with others. Remember, in crowded spaces, it's better to be overly cautious than regretful later. One of the more sophisticated tactics is the map trick. Imagine you're exploring a foreign city when someone approaches you with a large map, asking for directions. As you focus on the map, their accomplice is already working your pockets from behind, taking advantage of your distraction. How to protect yourself? If someone asks for directions, especially with a large object like a map, be cautious. Step back to maintain your personal space and keep your valuables close and inside. Trust your instincts. If something feels wrong, it probably is. Even when you're seated and enjoying a meal, pickpockets are at work. The restaurant ruse is a common tactic where a thief places a coat, menu, or newspaper over your bag or phone on the table. As they leave, they lift both the cover and your valuables without you noticing. How to protect yourself? Never leave your valuables on the table. Keep them in your lap or secure them in a bag placed between your feet. If you must place your bag on the floor, consider using a bag hook or keeping it in front of you where it's visible at all times. Sometimes a pickpocket might pose as a friendly local, offering to show you around or take you to a great spot. Only they know. While they distract you with conversation, their accomplice is busy helping themselves to your valuables. How to protect yourself? While it's great to interact with locals, always remain cautious. Politely decline offers from strangers to guide you or show you around. Keep your valuables close and be aware of anyone who seems overly interested in your whereabouts. This next tactic is truly brazen, the fake police officer scam. You might be approached by someone claiming to be an officer who asks to see your identification and wallet. They might tell you they need to check for counterfeit bills or illegal currency. In the process, they'll skillfully relieve you of your cash or credit cards. How to protect yourself? Always ask for identification if you're approached by someone claiming to be a police officer. If something doesn't feel right, politely insist on going to the nearest police station before handing over any belongings. Real officers will understand your caution. In certain parts of Europe, particularly in tourist hotspots, you might encounter the gypsy child scam. A group of children surround you, begging for money or selling trinkets. While you're distracted by their pleas or antics, they're busy picking your pockets. How to protect yourself. As heartbreaking as it may be, it's crucial to remain vigilant. Keep your distance from groups of children approaching you in tourist areas, and always keep your valuables secure. If you feel overwhelmed, seek assistance from local authorities or move quickly to a more secure location. Another common scam is the bracelet trick, often found in busy tourist areas. A friendly stranger might approach you offering to tie a free bracelet around your wrist as a gesture of goodwill. As soon as it's on, they demand payment, and while you're distracted by the confrontation, an accomplice might pick your pocket. How to protect yourself. Politely decline any unsolicited gifts or gestures, no matter how innocent they seem. If someone insists, firmly walk away. Remember, nothing is truly free, especially in popular tourist spots. In cafes or parks, pickpockets might use a newspaper as a cover to steal your belongings. They'll place the newspaper over your phone or wallet and then lift both the paper and your valuables in one smooth motion, disappearing before you even realize what's happened. How to protect yourself. Never leave your valuables out in the open. Keep them in your pocket or bag, and always be aware of your surroundings, especially when sitting in public places. In this tactic, a pickpocket drops something in front of you. Coins, papers, or even a wallet. When you bend down to help or pick it up, they grab your wallet or phone from your pocket or bag. How to protect yourself. If someone drops something in front of you, be cautious. Don't immediately bend down to help. Instead, secure your belongings first or simply step back and observe. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Finally, we have the elevator squeeze. In a crowded elevator, it's easy for a pickpocket to get close to you without raising suspicion. As the elevator stops and people shift around, they use the opportunity to slip their hand into your bag or pocket. How to protect yourself. In elevators, keep your back against the wall and hold your bag or belongings in front of you. Be especially cautious when the doors open, as this is when pickpockets are most likely to strike. And there you have it, the 13 most terrifying ways pickpockets can rob you while you're traveling. These criminals are always on the lookout for unsuspecting tourists, but with the right precautions, you can protect yourself and your valuables. Stay vigilant, stay safe, and enjoy your travels. And enjoy